Many people think SSDI is decided by one diagnosis or one application form. In reality, two separate systems are being checked at once, and that is where people get lost. When someone says they were denied SSDI, that does not automatically tell you why. One person may have hit a work history issue. Another may have had weak medical documentation. Another may have records that prove illness but do not clearly prove work-related limitation. Understanding the structure matters because it changes what question you ask next. Work credits are the program's way of asking whether you have recent enough insured status inside the Social Security system. Medical evidence is the program's way of asking whether your condition keeps you from substantial work activity under its rules. Those are related questions, but they are not the same. A strong case usually needs both a work history foundation and a medical record that shows duration, severity, and functional impact. Imagine someone with a real and serious condition who has seen multiple doctors, but whose records mostly list symptoms and medications without clearly describing work limitations. On paper, the condition is visible, but the file still may not tell the reviewer what the condition actually prevents the person from doing in sustained work life. That gap is where confusion and denial often happen. Think of the case like a table with two legs. One leg is insured work history. The other leg is medical proof of functional limitation. If one leg is weak, the table wobbles even if the other side looks strong. First, confirm the work history side before assuming the case is only medical. Second, organize medical records by timeline, not just by provider name. Third, focus on evidence that shows functional limits, consistency, and duration. Fourth, review the file as if a stranger had to understand how the condition affects basic work tasks without filling in the blanks for you. People feel less helpless when they can name the actual missing piece. Ask yourself, if a denial happened, do I know whether the weakness was on the work side, the medical side, or the translation between the two? If this made SSDI clearer, subscribe to Finance Keys, leave the next disability benefits question you want decoded, and share this with someone trying to understand why SSDI cases turn on more than a diagnosis alone.